You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 9/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 3x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 7 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -5. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 9/2.